Gardens, which is in Southeast DC, right near the Washington Navy Yard. So my mission in here is to just do a quick survey to see what they got. I'm not gonna spend any money. So here's a bird bath. It's about 90 bucks by Unique Stone. It's all intact. Very nice. I like this rooster right here. This is nice as well. How much they want? Unique Stone, $108.95. Very nice. Yeah, this location usually has some nice statuary. This right here, this is nice. $150. It's a finial, Charlestown finial. Very nice. Here's a matching set. Here's one here. That'd be nice to put in the front entry. All right, but what I'm really here for is, I'm here to look at both Statuary and Clematis. I want to see what they have in terms of Clematis. All right, directly across from the Statuary, look at all these Epimediums they have. Amber Queen. And it's not cheap at all. It's about 35 bucks for one of these big gallons. Pretty in pink. That's nice. And these you can split and divide. Okay. Songbirds. Very nice. Domino. Look at that. Here's a dark leaf jasmine. Love the beautiful burgundy hues on its foliage. Very nice. Here's your common jessamine, which I have at the house. You get those beautiful yellow flowers. And it smells heavenly. All right, let's take a look at some more of their unique statuary over here. This is nice. Sitting Buddha. This is really nice. Something to put on a patio or your deck. All right, and let's spin around here. Isn't that impressive? This goes for roughly $1,000. Very nice. All right. So this is more of a boutique nursery. A little shady area here. Some nice ferns. Diopterus. This one here is Japanese painted fern. Okay. All right. Oh, look at this beautiful loropetalum over here. It's a dwarf. It's going for roughly 70 bucks. I wouldn't spend 70 bucks on that. All right, here we are, the Clematis area. But first, look at this gorgeous full moon maple. Got some beautiful columbine here. All right. So here's one clematis right here. It is not cheap. Bees Jubilee. So they want about 80 bucks for that. This right here is a Jackmani. Everybody knows this one. It's a very popular and common variety. Or hybrid, I'm not sure. All right, so they want around 50 bucks for that. So right here is Toki. I like the dark leaves in this one. All right, so it doesn't get to be that tall, only 4 to 9 feet. I'm looking for something that'll get a lot taller than that, but it has to be a light colored flower. This one right here is Pink Fantasy. It's also 50 bucks. 6 to 8 feet tall. Okay. So this is the clematis I'm looking for will accompany the other one I have, which is I think Diamond Ball, and it's going to go on the left side of my Gertrude Jekyll in the vegetable garden. This one right here, Sarah Elizabeth, gorgeous. Four to 6 feet tall, not tall enough. So it can't be one that has the same flower hue as Gertrude Jekyll. It's this one over here. Guernsey Cream. Eight feet tall. That's a contender. That has a similar flower color as Diamond Ball, but it's more of an open flower pattern. This one isn't labeled. This one right here, it's practically the same color hue as the Gertrude Jekyll. Happy Jack. So in addition to these clematis behind me, there's some right in front of me. Let's flip this around. All right, so they're pretty much the same. Pink Fantasy, Vagabond, which is really nice. And you can tell this gets really, nope, only 3 to 4 feet tall. All right, so they have a limited selection here, but they're very well kept. There's a chocolate vine. $20 to 40 feet. Love the flower color, but that will not be a good partner with the Gertrude Jekyll because it's the same color hue. Oh, look at this. This right here is I'm betting a Banksia lutea. Lady Banks. Let's see. Oh, she smells heavenly. Yep. But they want way too much for this. Yeah, they want about $230. I just couldn't see myself spending $230 on this Lady Banks. I just couldn't. There's this wall of pottery right here. Very nice. The gorgeous dark leaves on this lower petalum. Chinese Epimedium. Oh, okay. Okay. Very nice clay pots. Especially like that tall one, those two tall ones back there. Yeah. Oh, kind of like that column too. It's really nice. Okay. Oh, these are nice. I like the texture on this. Okay. All right. Some nice urns right here too. Unique stone as well. An Ashton urn. It has some imperfections. Okay. Looks like a pair. Two of them. All right. Well, I didn't quite find what I was looking for, but there's a lot of garden eye candy out here. Oh, these are really nice. These small urns that you can put on the tabletop. Okay. That's nice. That's really nice.